Namaste mitro, kem cho, majama. Welcome back to my channel Riddhi Nagda. And my sleepy head is out on a beach day in Varkala. So today we are going to do a day out with moon waves. So we've come to Edeva for surfing. And if you don't know, Moon Waves is a surf company. They teach you surfing in Varkala, and I've been associated with them for quite some time, and I know they're really good at what they do. So if you want to learn surfing, you know where to contact. And if you're still in questions, I'll just take you around how it is with them. So come with me. Moonwave Surf School is running from last 7 to 8 years in Varkala, that is in Kerala. It is all certified from the Institute of Surfing, and all the instructors are also certified. So if you decide to surf here with them, I am sure you're going to enjoy. Here I am at early morning going to the beach to start my surfing day. And here comes the boards. I will take you through how the whole surfing session goes on from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. What the schedule looks like starting here. First up guys, they are going to do some stretching exercise because of course if your body is stiff, you'll enjoy yourself. And these surfboards are ready for you to start taking your lessons. If you are a first timer, don't be scared and don't be intimidated, because they will teach you from the scratch. First they will teach you how the board works, what is the board called, how the waves work, how you take your board inside, how you hold the board, how you get on the board, how you pop up on the board. They'll give you each and every instruction on the ground in the sand, so that you are well aware before you enter the waters. Batch, the ones who are regulars are into the water, others are still learning. So if you think that in the ocean, how will you handle the board or whatever, first things first, board floats for itself, obviously guys. And also when you are in the ocean, there is this leash which is usually tied around your ankle like this, so the board will never leave you alone. So this is a typical this is an 8 feet board, this is 9.8. So yeah, you get easily these kind of boards in Decathlon. But if you are with Moon Waves, you don't have to worry, they'll provide you with board and everything. So yeah, so guys, I was telling you all about how you can book and all. So it's very simple. They have an Instagram page, I will tag them along over here. You can just contact them through their Instagram and you can book your session. Per session cost is usually 1500 rupees, which is includes the board. They'll help you pick you up from the place you're staying in Varkala, and also they will assist your travel till the beach, because some of the beaches are little far, a few kilometers, some of them are near. So wherever the beach is, they will assist you for sure. Also the board cost is included in this. So yeah, it's the rental of the board and the fees. At front it might look a lot, 1500, but when you look back and when you break down, it includes a lot of things. So it's the pickup drop from your place of stay, then it's the rental of the board, it's the coaching fee, everything's included. So yeah, I am not surfing this time because I have some problem. I can't, but of course I can take you guys along on the surfing. Guys, this is Aki from Moonwaves. If you are wondering who handles Moonwaves, it's this guy.
Hi guys.
So how many years are you surfing for?
I'm surfing in 12 years.
And how many years are you teaching for?
My surf school is started 7 years ago.
Wow, that's a good, a very big time.
Thank you.
So all the time around in Varkala only?
Yeah, some like 10 to 15 kilometers, which is the best place for beginners. We move there. We bring all the people there.
So yes guys, there's a whole stretch from Kapil to South Cliff. Wherever good waves are there, these guys will take you there. So y'all are in safe hands, guys.
You are welcome, guys.
Yes.
Join us in Moonwaves.
Yes guys, come surf with us with Moonwaves. I am also going to surf soon. Hopefully you can see some clips of me surfing also. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Guys, if you're wondering that you don't know swimming or anything, don't worry guys, you can still surf. Because the waves are not very high these days in here. This is the best time for beginners even if you don't know swimming. Also, it's really safe. Like you can think that surfing, oh my god, it's too much of a task. I mean, it is little bit, but it's really fun and anybody can surf, trust me. After a few days, here I am in the water trying to catch a wave and I stand up and dhabak, I fall down. But after a little more struggle and few more days, I am catching here a beautiful wave with the help of amazing instructors out here. Also, check out these amazing students of Moonwaves catching beautiful waves in their beginner classes only. I know this is crazy, right? Come book your session and you can also have all this fun. So this is the end of the day with Moonwave Surf School. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Riddhi Nagda. Until then, goodbye and thank you. And also check out the description box for all the details regarding Moonwave Surf School, which is in Varkala, Kerala. And it's a goodbye guys.